Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, or good night. I am here to talk to you about the solar storm and the rainbow, okay? The first point that we need to know is between the earth and the sun exists 150 million of kilometers, okay? If we can exemplify the size in real life, if we can exemplify the size of the earth, it could be 1 centimeter. And if we can exemplify the years of the sun, could be 1 meter in diameter, okay? If we can exemplify the distance between that two things, it's like a soccer football field. And the sun could be in one goal and the earth could be in the other goal. It's that little point blue, okay? And the topic that I be here is to talk about the solar storms, okay? That is the important thing, okay? The solar storms talk about micro explosions, and that micro explosions are composed by solar bows. Solar bows is like the rainbow, but in the sun, okay? And that image have some explosions, like I told you, and that appears in a fields, in a dark fields in the sun, and that fields have a concentration of magnetics, and it has a lot of concentration of magnetics. Okay, the solar storm can be that the signals of the telecommunications, the distribution of electricity, and the generation of electricity, like sustainable, like our career, can be failed. But the solar storms to date, there has not been affects a living beings. Okay, only affects the telecommunications and the things that need to use the ons, electromagnetic ons. Okay, and that particles of solar rays can produce the northern lights, in Spanish the aurora boreal. Okay, and the last is the rainbow. The rainbow, it's a optic and meteorologic phenomenon, and that consists in the appearance in the sky in a bow, in the form of bow, and it by the rays to enter the earth, and when the contact of the solar rays enter to the earth, contact with a little drops of water contained in the atmosphere. Okay, when the rays come from the sun, obviously, and enter to the contact with a little drops of water. Okay, and that that phenomenon can we see when when after when after the rain. Okay, when after the rain in the fields or in the street, can we see that phenomenon. It's very interesting. And have a nice day. That's only for me, and I hope you are very well.